What's up, family status? I hope everyone having a great morning, great evening, great afternoon. Today we're going to show you how easy it is to make your own organic fertilizer. So making your own fertilizer is super easy. All you need is 3 things. The first thing you need is something to store water, like a 5-gallon bucket, a trash can, a 20-gallon storage tote. Any of those will work perfect. The second thing you need is water. We use these 55-gallon storage containers to harvest rainwater. Rainwater is 1,000 times better for your garden. And on top of that, it's free. And the third thing you need is comfrey. Or you can use grass clippings or banana peels. But with grass clippings, you only get nitrogen. And with banana peels, you only get potassium. But when you use comfrey, you get nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. And those are 3 things that your plants need to survive and thrive. So next time you're checking out some fertilizers and you see NPK, the N stands for nitrogen, the P stands for phosphorus, and the K stands for potassium. So now I'm gonna show you how easy it is to make your own fertilizer. All you have to do is take the leaves from your comfrey plant and put them right in the bucket. And if you want to, you can use grass clippings, banana peels, and comfrey. That'll just be more nutrients for your plants. So all we're gonna do now is take as many leaves as we can off our comfrey plant, and we don't have to worry about it because it's gonna bounce right back. And if you guys didn't see the video of how to grow your own fertilizer, you should check it out. Comfrey is super easy to grow. We planted these using root cuttings. And it's this simple. That should be enough. So all we have to do now is add water to our 5-gallon bucket. Right, that should be enough. Now we're gonna cover this up and let it sit for 7 days. It's been 7 days since we started making our own organic fertilizer. Let's check it out and see what it look like. It's definitely ready now. Oh man. And I have to be honest. God, this stuff smells crazy. But the plants love it. That's all that matters. But man, be aware. Don't say I didn't tell you. Please don't say I didn't tell you. Okay, so now that our organic fertilizer is ready, let's talk about the 2 different ways you can use it. The first way is just using it straight from the 5-gallon bucket. We could just pour it directly on our plants. And the second way to use it is mixing it with your rainwater. So if we wanted to, we would pour the whole bucket into one of these containers. So if you don't have a rainwater harvest system, you should definitely think about starting one because it's this easy. You don't have to put together anything. All you need is some containers, trash can, bucket, sit it by your house, catch water. It's that simple. The first thing we're gonna water with our homemade organic fertilizer is our hydrangea cuttings. Remember what these used to look like? Check them out now. Next, I'm gonna water our peaches and cream corn in our 30-gallon container. Check it out. Now we're gonna water our greens. And the last thing we're gonna water is our crimson sweet watermelon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 watermelon plants. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 watermelons so far. Now we're gonna take this to the compost pile. And it's that easy to make organic fertilizer. All you need is comfrey leaves, banana peels, or grass clippings. Let it sit in water for 3 to 7 days, and voila, magic. Free food for your plants.